My name is Susham M. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm also an adjunct professor of law at the University of Houston Law Center. The reason I know the clinic so well is because 8 years ago when I first moved here, I worked as a full-time professor as a clinical supervising attorney at UH Law School's immigration clinic. And through that work, I've seen exactly firsthand what the clinic does and the lives that it's changed. I'd like to give you just a few examples of it. One case, for example, we worked on was with a lady who literally was the victim of so much severe domestic violence that it culminated to a part where her face was stabbed with a knife from her ex. The reason it culminated to that part and she hadn't left before is because she had kids to take care of and she was afraid to leave, to be frank. But she got the courage to leave and cooperate with law enforcement, and we got her a U visa. It's a visa to stay in the United States for people that are victims of certain severe crimes. It was an honor to do it, and what's amazing about it now is she's not only got a protective order and far away from her abuser, but she's now taking care of her children, has valid work authorization, and on the way to a green card. These are some things that I've seen firsthand. In addition to that, we've worked on asylum cases, people afraid to go back. They could be tortured, killed, or beaten if they're returned. And human trafficking cases. We've seen that in Houston ourselves, including labor trafficking. There was another example where a poor gentleman was labor trafficked into the United States and he could not leave the house. He was literally enslaved to, and they would keep him there through fear tactics, including playing Russian roulette, which is basically spinning a gun and hoping he doesn't get shot and doesn't land on him. These are just some of the things that I've seen that the clinic does such an amazing job of changing people's lives, trafficking victims, crime victims, and asylum seekers. And it's these people's lives that are not only changed, it's also the students that we supervise working on those cases that are great individuals that are going to be extraordinary lawyers in the future, contributing to the legal community and to future people like these. And I hired those very same people at my firm now that I've had over 5 years. It's been an honor to work in the clinic, and it's my honor to help today, and I hope you join and help as well. Thank you.